Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. I hope everybody is excited for what's in store for all of us today. Welcome to the Y-Zone flagship shop. And thank you for joining us for the official launch of My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. Palakpakan naman natin ang Yamaha Philippines as always, finding ways to make our bike lives more convenient, and we're bringing you a whole new way to connect with the Yamaha. Alam ko yung mga Yamaha users dito, mga Yamaha lovers dito, katulad ko, excited kayo dito. So stick around, download the app, and get ready for an experience like no other. Our program begins shortly. Okay, na-download naman natin yung Yamaha Rev PH natin. Okay, to all Yamaha motorcycle owners, head over to the App Store or Google Play. Search for My Yamaha Rev-PH. Okay, dapat may dash yun Yamaha Motor-Rev-PH. Alright. Hintayin ko lang ng konti sandali ang aking ano. Alright. Again, welcome to the launch of My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. I'm Mikey. The name is Tito Mikey, and later I'll be joined by, of course, Sizzy, CK De Leon. Abangan natin siya mamaya-maya, and we will be your host for this brand partner tour and later for our grand launch as well. Excited tayong lahat? Excited na bang lahat? Again, palakpakan natin ang Yamaha Philippines. Alright, we're celebrating Yamaha's latest innovation, My Yamaha Motor Rev PH, an all-in-one platform built for Yamaha riders. And with this app, you can earn points, unlock exclusive perks and rewards, and get special access sa mga mabibigay at mga offers sa ating promos ng Yamaha Philippines and our amazing brand partners. Also, please, mamaya makikilala natin sila, pero palakpakan natin ang mga brand partners natin and their booths, of course, present dito sa stage left natin. You can download My Yamaha Motor Rev PH right now. Make sure lang, sabi ko nga, there's a dash between motor and rev, okay? Type My Yamaha Motor dash Rev PH. Join our raffle by sharing a screenshot that you downloaded the app. Go to the Yamaha Philippines Facebook page and comment our raffle post with an image of your screenshot. Good luck to everyone. You may win amazing prizes later today. Now we'll be meeting our amazing partners, our awesome partners. Let's go to CK. CK, sino ang kasama mo dyan?
Thank you so much, Tito Mikey. And I'm here right now with our brand partners. Of course, unang-una sa listahan, si Freedcon. They are the experts when it comes to Bluetooth communication for your rides. So we have here si Sir Francis. He's gonna talk about yung products nila and of course, what we can expect from Freedcon and sa ating My Yamaha app. Hi, Sir Francis.
Yes, thank you. We are Freedcon Intercoms Philippines. Provided kami na we're providing ng Bluetooth intercom connection sa ating mga rider. Communication device siya. Ito meron kami mga 8 variants na pwede for couples, pwede for big group rides. Meron din kami mga intercoms na with cameras. So ito helpful to sa mga riders natin para maiwasan na yung mga traditional way ng pakikipag-usap dun sa mga kasama natin riders na maiwasan na natin mga hand sign, mga foot sign. Pwede na tayo makipag-usap through our devices, which is Freedcon Intercoms.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Francis. And then now we are going to move on naman to our next brand partner, which is SEC Moto Supply, delivering motorcycle parts and gear that's all about safety and performance. So, hello po. Ito pala si Sir. Tumingin pa ako doon. Hello po, Sir. Good afternoon. Ano po yung name nila? Sorry.
Hi, I'm Craig from SEC Moto Supply.
What can we expect from SEC Moto Supply and of course in partnership with My Yamaha app?
Yes, of course, we are excited to partner with Yamaha Philippines. Siyempre, maraming points na makukuha yung mga riders upon purchase nila ng bikes and services. And with that, they can use their points to purchase our products.
Alright, perfect. So again, narinig nyo yan guys. Again, yung mga points na ma-earn nyo, points na may ipon nyo po sa My Yamaha app, you can actually use them to purchase anything from Sec Moto Supply. So moving on, and I guess nandito ng aking partner.
Thank you very much to SEC Moto Supply. Ngayon makakakwentuhan natin si Sir Ben from, of course, Racing Boy. Sir Ben, how are you? And thank you for being with us today.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you for Yamaha invite to this event.
What can we expect from Racing Boy? What are the offers that our Yamaha users can look forward to for Racing Boy?
Yeah, we always actually Racing Boy established already 30 years. We always work with Yamaha, even with YMI in MotoGP, have 10-year experience for technical supply. We expected we work with Yamaha to supply the aftermarket parts for upgrade and more safety parts for our Yamaha users. Yeah.
And how excited are you to be part of this new app or this new convenient way to reward, of course, the Yamaha loyalists?
Yeah, I think now it's the trend. It's a trending to using apps. It's more information to using these Yamaha apps. Yeah, to get more loyalty programs, more information. I think it's good. I'm already downloaded it.
Thank you very much, Sir Ben, from Racing, of course, Racing Boy. Okay, Racing Boy. Now, we'll move on over to CK. CK, sino kasama mo dyan?
Alright, Mikey. So we are here right now with the DC Monorack. Of course, your ride's best friend when it comes to top brackets and more. And of course, kasama natin today si Sir Bry to explain to us, of course, about their top-tier products and, of course, their partnership with My Yamaha app.
Alright. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. So basically, ma'am, our main goal and mission here is to provide a top-notch, high-quality motorcycle brackets for the motorcycle riders po ng Philippines.
Alright, so what can we expect, sir, dun sa partnership nyo with My Yamaha app? Are there any reward system? Yung mga ipon ba nilang points in their My Yamaha app? Does it, just like yung other brand partners natin, makakabili ba sila ng products when they have earned points?
Yes, actually, they can, yung mga points na naipon nila, they can redeem dito and maipalit nila sa mga products namin, especially sa mga ganitong motorcycle brackets po.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Bry. And that's it here in DC Monorack. Now, let's move on to Tito Mikey again.
Alright, dito naman tayo ngayon sa Memory.ph booth with Sir Roland. Sir Roland, ako, content creator ako. Gusto ko yung nagmo-motovlog at mukhang pang motovloggers itong mga na-offer ninyo.
Yes sir, we carry SJ Cam, GoPro, Insta360, DJI, mga pang-vlog available po sa Memory page.
Ano ang mga sinasuggest mong products perfect for those starting vloggers na gustong nako-content yung pag-ride nila?
Sabi nga nila, start kung anong meron ka. So, pwedeng cellphone. Pero pagka gusto mo mag-level up, you need action ka. Meron tayong mga affordable to high-end cameras available sa Memory page.
At ito ang mga abangan natin sa bagong Yamaha app natin. And of course, thank you very much, Sir Roland. Mamaya, iikutin ko to dahil meron ako mga parang napupusuan ng mga gadgets dito. CK, nasan ka?
Okay, Tito Mikey, we're here actually. Ito ang isa sa mga favorite naming stores ni Mikey. For some reason, napadpad din ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero nakabili ako dito ng gear. But we're here with Moto World, of course, the go-to store for motorcycle gear. And we have here si Miss Mariel to explain to us yung mga bago nila dito sa Moto World. Hello po, Miss Mariel.
Hi, good afternoon po. Sa aming MotoWorld po, meron kaming AGB product, which is yung po yung ginagamit sa mga MotoGP. And our new product po ay Smart Air Jacket po.
Alright, Miss Mariel, so just like the other brand partners, yung mga points na ma-earn nila in their My Yamaha app, they can also use that to purchase or para bumili ng mga gear kay MotoWorld. Tama po ba?
Yes po, ma'am.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, we're here at MotoWorld. And, of course, lahat na may ipon yung points sa inyong My Yamaha app, you can actually use to purchase gears and more dito sa MotoWorld and the rest of our brand partners. Mikey, nasa ka na ba?
At ang kagandahan sa Yamaha, of course, you can perform, but definitely you have to japorm. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa Imprint Customs. Kasama si Sir Gian. Alam mo naman maganda yung mga pormahan dito pag Imprint Customs. Pang pampandiinan, ano mga offer natin sa mga Yamaha loyalists natin, ano mga expect nila sa Imprint Customs.
Okay, for Imprint Customs, syempre sa lahat ng Yamaha loyalist is lahat ng range ng Imprint Customs product is open for claiming sa My Yamaha app. So, lahat from cotton shirts, riding jackets, riding jerseys, yung mga varsity jackets na katulad nito, pwedeng-pwede i-claim sa My Yamaha app.
Pogi na yung motor mo, pogi pa yung datingan mo at madiin na madiin kayo with Imprint Customs. Thank you very much, Sir Gian. Looking forward sa mga Yamaha motorcycle, Yamaha users natin na pag nakita natin sa daan, naka-Imprint Customs sila. Thank you very much again, Sir Gian. CK, ano next?
Alright, Tito Mikey, we're now here with Drive Plus and ito, I think, perfect to sa lahat ng mga riders, especially right now na hindi mo na alam yung weather talaga. So this is perfect for all weather riders looking to stay dry and comfortable. And it's time to find out with Sir Rudy what's new and of course kung ano yung mga current lineup nila ng products here with Drive Plus. Hello po, Sir Rudy!
Hello. It's our privilege to be partnering with Yamaha. Well, currently, Drive Plus, our motto would be life is better with Drive Plus. So we're trying to provide accessories that would help make the riding more enjoyable, especially our antimicrobial properties for our popular balaclava and garments. So that's it.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Rudy. And can you share more about your partnership with the Yamaha app? What can the riders expect, just like the other brands? Can they purchase or can they get rewards from Drive Plus when they get to earn points po dun sa app nila, sa Yamaha app?
So hopefully, we're encouraging the Yamaha users or riders to try our product, which can be easily available through your system, the Y Club. Yeah.
Alright. So there you have it, guys. Again, si Drive Plus is easily available again in our newest My Yamaha app. That is, again, very available and you can actually start using already right now. So there you have it. Thank you so much, Sir Rudy. And again, thank you so much, sir. And there you have it, guys. Again, let's go back to Tito Mike.
Alright, we have one more brand partner na makakasama natin sa atin, My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. I am with Sir Hans of the Alpine Stars. Ano, Sir Hans, ang pakiramdam na eto na magiging partner mo ulit ang Yamaha, and how excited are you for the users ng My Yamaha Motor Rev PH?
Una-una, nagpapasama kami sa Yamaha, napili kami sa isang maging brand partner nila. And sobrang excited kami sa collaboration with them. And we look forward for more products.
And I want to talk about quickly lang yung products ng Alpine Stars because I'm an advocate, Sir Tony, nandito ka ba? I'm an advocate of safe riding. Okay, kailangan safe riding tayo. How important is it sa mga riders na magkaroon ng mga safety apparel like what you offer?
Well, sa mga pinaka-importante, syempre helmet, and then susunod yung mga gears, mga apparels. So si Alpine Stars ang isa sa mga premium brand when it comes to apparel.
Thank you very much, Sir Hans, and we look forward to the Yamaha loyalists natin na makakuha ng mga Alpine Stars products, especially if you use our new My Yamaha Motor Rev PH app. Okay, tayo magpipicture ng malaking picture.
Yes. So together with our other brand partners, we are going to have a photo op, of course. And again, that wraps up our brand tour, but we are just getting started. Again, a huge shout out to all of our brand partners. Your support makes this app launch extra special.
We'd like to also call on our Yamaha VIPs. Sir Tony Aquesta here. Sir Tony Aquesta and Miss Charm Cruz, please, to join our brand partners for a photo op. Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks
Thank
to our
you
brand
so
partners
much.
once again. We are very, very excited to get a chance to experience yung mga magagandang products and brands natin through the My Yamaha Motor Rev PH, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, pwede. May safety apparel naman eh.
Hindi ka naman pinagbabawalan eh.
May mga nakikita kasi ako magaganda doon. Pero ang pinakamaganda pa rin talaga yung Yamaha Mio Gravis eh. Kitang-kita naman doon. No? Napaka-forma talaga ng motor na yun. Anyway, huwag kayong aalis guys because our program, our main program will also start in a bit at kami pa rin ang magkasama mamaya.
Yes, so there you have it, guys. Again, I'm your Sizzy, CK De Leon, and this is your Tito Mikey, and we will be launching the My Yamaha Motor Rev PH at our main program in a bit. That's all for right now. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys later.
Sometimes breakthroughs happen when you simply take the first step. One that empowers, enhances experiences, and makes every ride worthwhile. A rev to innovation. A rev into the future. Providing an unparalleled experience, one tap at a time.
Good evening, everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko muna palakpakan natin ang isa't isa for being here. As always, another awesome Yamaha event for everyone. All the Yamaha users, Yamaha loyalists are all here. And I'm very, very excited. My name is Mikey Reyes. They call me Tito Mikey. At meron akong co-host eh. Hindi ko mahanap kung nasan eh. Anyway, mamaya tatawagin natin siya. And we are coming to you live from the Yamaha flagship shop. We call this the Y-Zone. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat sa mga nanonood ngayon sa ating live stream. And who's ready for something big tonight? Sinong ready? Parang walang excitement ngayon sa building ah. Sinong ready for something big tonight? Ayun, okay. It's time for the official launch of My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. Something very exciting for all us Yamaha users. And this isn't just another app. Okay, we're launching something big. It's a game changer. Game changer to guys, especially later pag medyo naintindihan nyo na talaga kung ano ang magagawa para sa atin ng bagong app na to. A whole new customer experience that brings benefits, rewards, and exclusive access straight into the hands of every Yamaha rider in the Philippines. Nasaan na ba ang aking co-host? CK, nasan ka ba? Sandali lang, parang naka-off ang mic ni CK. Naka-off pa din ang mic ni CK. Sandali lang. At naka-off pa din ang mic ni CK. Ayun! Nasa ka ba?
Hello, Tito Mikey!
Ayun.
I'm here! So sabi kasi nila sa akin, pumili daw ako ng favorite ko na Yamaha motor. And sa totoo lang napugian kasi ako, sino ba itong nasa likod ko? Ang pogi!
Relax ka lang, nagtatrabaho tayo.
Anyway, so you're right, Tito Mikey. It's time to dive into the future of Yamaha. But before anything else, hello everyone. It's your Sizzy, CK De Leon. And of course, we welcome you all to our special guest media partners. And of course, Yamaha Club Riders. It is our pleasure to have you here today. And of course, to all of our viewers online, hello po sa mga viewers natin online. Nakalimutan ko, live stream nga pala tayo. And of course, we also want to recognize our My Yamaha Motor Rev brand partners. Of course, mga na-meet natin kanina, yung mga yan. We have Imprint Customs, Drive Plus, we have Alpine Stars, Racing Boy, Memory.ph, Freedcon, DC Monorack, Moto World, and of course, we also have Sec Moto Supply.
Again, thank you very much to all our brand partners and of course Yamaha Philippines for making all this possible. One round of applause for our brand partners and Yamaha Philippines. Thank you very much. And of course to everyone who made it here tonight. Make sure to connect with Yamaha Motor Philippines on all their social media platforms. Share their live stream as well. Post photos and videos of this launch with the hashtags, hashtag MyYamahaMotorRevPH and hashtag YamahaPH. Now, how about we kick things off with our first raffle draw? May first raffle draw
Grabe,
agad
may
tayo.
first one.
Oo, meron agad tayo.
Alright, so we actually drew the names of those participants and we will announce the winners right now. I-announce po natin yung winners natin. And of course, ang mapapanalunan nyo po tonight will be premium items from Yamaha, of course. So ready na po ba tayo? Sino po ba dito ang nag-join ng raffle natin?
May mga sumali ba? Sino mga sumali?
Meron
Sa ating
po
raffle.
ba?
Ang alam ko lahat ng mga riders excited sa mga libreng gamit, libreng products. Ito na ang chance nating lahat.
Alright, so now it's time. Ipa-flash po natin sa screen ang names ng winners natin. And of course, we would like to congratulate
Ito na. Alfie
Teodoro.
Alfie Teodoro, are you here? Congratulations.
Ay, grabe naman yun. Kayo po ang buena mano natin tonight.
Alright. Alfie, congratulations. Saan ba ipipick up ni Alfie ang kanyang raffle prize? Saan niya yung mapipick up? Later today? Okay, later today yung mapipick up.
alright.
One more winner. Gian Philip Guevara. Gian Philip Guevara. Congratulations.
Alright, next we have Dred Lamar.
Dred Lamar, are you here?
Lamar.
Dred Lamar. Alright. Congratulations to all our winners. Mamaya makukuha niyo yung inyong prize. Okay, abang-abangan lang natin. Pero at least, di ba, siguradong may maiuwi na kayo from our event.
Sobrang dami ata mananalo tonight eh. Hindi lang yung tatlo, of course. We have a lot of winners tonight.
Oo, kaya make sure. For those na Yamaha motorcycle owners that downloaded the app already and placed a screenshot on the Yamaha Facebook page proving that they already have the My Yamaha Motor Rev PH on their phones, thank you very much. Mamaya may chance pa kayo.
Yes, that's right. And of course, I think we already drew the names now of the participants. And again, throughout our program, I think we have more winners.
Yeah,
So again,
dami
you
po.
will be winning premium items, of course, from Yamaha po yan.
And now let's talk about yung ating simula ng ating
The start of the launch, of course. Siyempre, pasimula pa lang yung launch natin, baby.
Okay. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Kuys, isa pa, Kuys. Palakpakan natin si Kuys. Hindi, pataas. Hindi pababa. Pataas. Okay, ito na lang. Okay, let's talk about the heat leading up to this launch. We didn't just invite moto vloggers. We put them through the ultimate Yamaha experience.
Yes, that's right. Actually, nag-kick off po tayo ng challenge. We call it the Race to Platinum. So yun po yung pangalan ng ating challenge. We have 5 moto vloggers who were dropped into different rev zones across the country. So I think etong rev zones na to talagang iba't ibang probinsya.
Oo, totoo.
Meron natin
Iba-ibang
dito
grupo.
sa city, iba-ibang groups.
Yes.
And hindi lang po sila nagra-ride, hindi lang po siya pumunta sila dun sa rev zone. They were actually earning, they were hunting, and they were also competing.
Wow, do it all ang ating mga riders. And we're talking searching for hidden motorcycle keys in hotel lobbies. Okay, so hidden motorcycle keys in hotel lobbies. Maliit yung motorcycle key, mahirap yun. And logging into the app on the go, solving puzzles with cryptic letters, hunting QR codes, and even closing real sales on Yamaha Motor. Nagbenta pa.
Oo,
Yamaha motorcycles.
sobrang wild talaga as in nag-transform yung mga motovloggers na to. Naging brand ambassador sila, naging mekaniko sila, naging sales people sila. And of course, they also become digital ninjas, all to show you exactly what My Yamaha Motor Rev PH can do.
And for us to be updated at makita natin ang mga pinagagawa ng ating mga kapatid. Let's roll the highlight reel.
5 motor vloggers, 5 rev zones, 1 ultimate challenge. Race to Platinum. Luzon to Mindanao. Motor vloggers went beyond the ride. They searched, they solved, they sold. Every challenge, every kilometer, every scan was powered by one app. This is more than just a launch. This is the beginning of My Yamaha Motor-Rev PH.
All right. Again, exciting times ahead.
Of course, let's bring the stars of the race to Platinum up on stage. We have our 5 moto vloggers who turned the challenge into content and the content into impact. So of course, first off, may we call on Motor Pilipinas, Sir Philip Elliott, and he was dropped sa Rev Zone Lipa.
Palakpakan naman natin si Sir Philip Elliott.
Ano ba? Nandito na siya.
Ayun, motor ng Motor Pilipinas. All right. We also have Adrian Gongona from Inside Moto. Siya naman napunta sa Rev Zone Cabanatuan.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
And of course, next we have Ubic rider Sir Cliff Anthony Abellana, and he was dropped in Rev Zone Maxilong. Hello po.
Magandang gabi po sa iyo. Hindi naman magpapahuli si Maria Riza Estalio ng Moto Chat. At sa Rev Zone Iloilo naman siya napunta. Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi po. And of course, last but not the least, we have Moto Popsy, Sir Billy Joe Canales na na-drop sa Rev Zone Lapasan.
And let's give it up for our 5 moto vloggers na sumali sa ating mahirap na kompetisyon. Alright, let's take our seats. Makakakwentuhan natin sila sandali. Kumusta naman kayo? Are we good, sirs?
Yes, sir. We're good.
Okay naman. Kumusta yung challenge?
Enjoy.
Enjoy, enjoy.
Parang napaisip siya.
Paisip
dun.
siya.
Oo,
Kung
napaisip.
nahirapan siya o nag-enjoy siya. Alright. We'll start with Sir Philip. Sir Philip Elliott of Motor Pilipinas. Okay. Sir Philip, you've gone through yung Race to Platinum. Nagawa na natin yung challenge. Ano yung first word that comes to mind na madedescribe yung experience?
Alright, so yung Race to Platinum, no? Actually, I'm torn between 2 words.
Oh, sige, go.
So first is, it's challenging. And at the same time, it's rewarding.
Yun.
Oo, kasi it's very challenging kasi in a matter of 1 day, we get to wear different kinds of hats or different hats or different roles. We take on different roles. So from being a mechanic, naging ano rin kami, bike wash crew, naging service advisor, naging sales rep din kami. So lahat yon merong target. So merong time pressure. So talagang very challenging siya. And at the same time, naging brand ambassadors din kami. We get to talk to different people, lalo na mga strangers, karamihan strangers. So it's very challenging. But at the same time, it's also rewarding. Kasi I've learned a lot talking to those people. And also, I've gained so much experience doing those things na marami doon first time kong ginawa. So yeah, it's both challenging and rewarding.
Okay, tamo naman, mukhang nag-enjoy talaga si Sir Philip. And of course, na-experience mo yung, kumbaga yung kabuuan, what happens with motorcycling kasi lahat nga ng nadaanan nyo, na-experience niyo, yung mga, that makes the whole experience possible.
Yes, so speaking of, sinabi nga ni Sir Philip, ang dami talaga nilang hats na nasuot during the experience or during the race. Now, moving on po kay Sir Adrian of Inside Moto. So, sabi nila, hindi lang kayo content creators dito, sir. Naging mekaniko kayo, naging salesperson kayo, ano pa ba? Naging service advisors kayo. So, my question is, sa lahat ng nagawa niyong roles, alin po doon yung pinaka-paborito niyong role?
Ayun, yung favorite role ko for obvious reason as a rider is the mechanic kasi gusto mong maging, bilang rider, gusto mong maging hands-on sa mga motor and for the new technology gusto rin matutunan. And bilang a mechanic, lalo na sa Yamaha, para siyang all-in-one role. You get to become a sales rep, you get to become a service advisor kasi nakakausap mo yung mga clients and bibigyan mo sila ng advice kung ano yung mga parts na bagay sa motor nyo and ano yung mga pwede nyong bilhin, what's best for your motorcycle or the type of ride you ride.
Kumbaga, as a rider, maganda rin yung alam mo kung
Alam
ano
mo
yung mga
yun, yes.
kinakabit sa
That's right.
motorcycle mo. Baka kung may problema, alam mo na rin paano mo ma-check, no? So,
Yes.
na-enjoy mo maging
Na-enjoy ko talaga yun.
mekaniko.
Kasi all-in-one role siya dahil nakakausap mo yung client. At the same time, nakakapag-advise ka kung ano yung mas best sa motorcycles nila.
Yes, that's right. So kumbaga dun sa pagiging mechanic ni Sir, talagang na-share niya. Actually, one thing I also appreciate, one thing na sobrang hanga ako sa mga riders is that they always share this burning passion. Laging grabe yung passion nila towards riding talaga. As in,
So, yung
ikaw-
passion ko dun
ay,
sa
hindi.
bagong...
Sa Gravis ka lang. Hindi mo ako mabibentahan ng ibang motor.
Sir
Sorry
Tony,
ka.
kasi, sabi
Hindi
niya yung
talaga.
passion. May passion din ako nakikita dun eh. Oh. Parang
Hindi.
gusto ko iuwi.
Either fashion
Okay.
or Gravis, yun lang.
Para makasali ako sa My Yamaha Motor FPH app, di ba? Anyway, may libreng points by the way pag bumukuha kayo mga bagong motorsiklo. Alright, let's move on to Sir Cliff. Sir Cliff, nagamit mo nga yung My Yamaha Motor FPH app. Ano masasabi mo dun sa app? Ano ba ang mga, kumbaga, masishare mo dun sa riders na natuwa ka at saka yung anong pwede nilang expect?
So sa mga hindi pa naka-download, mag-download na kayo ha. So bale yung nakita ko, the app itself is very useful. Kopyahin na kita Sir JT and rewarding. Useful in a sense kasi makikita nyo doon sa app yung mga services na i-offer nila, tapos yung mga special events na pwede nyong salihan. At ito yung isa sa mga feature na nagustuhan ko talaga, na meron siyang option doon sa ibaba na makikita nyo yung nearest dealer kung saan ka. So wherever you are in the Philippines, i-check nyo lang, i-on nyo lang yung location ninyo, check nyo yung dealers, makikita nyo kagad yung pinaka-nearest na dealer.
So may budol effect, no? Kulang na lang add to cart. Add to
Yes,
cart, no? Yung bagong
parang
motor.
ganun.
And
And
also,
also-
add to cart ang bagong motor.
So
Go ahead.
kumbaga lahat na talaga, Sir. Kumbaga
Nandun na.
nandun na sa app, no?
Yes, nandun na po lahat sa app. At also rewarding in a sense kasi every transactions that you make, mapa-PMS man yan, isi-service yung motor, meron kayong bibilhin na motor, may corresponding points yan. So the more transactions that you do, the bigger the points that you have. So the more points that you have the capability na makagain ng more perks, yung mga ibang mga mabibigay sa Yamaha in return sa mga customers nila.
Kumbaga masulit, no? Yung
Yes,
mga
masulit.
transactions na gagawin
Tama.
mo with Yamaha. And that's something na maganda ring isipin, di ba? At least
Oo.
sulit lahat ng mga gastos mo for your
Yes.
magandang investment.
Oo, that's true. And of course, actually, ang nakikita ko dito, si Mayama Motor Rev PH, it's actually your very in-pocket siya na after sales.
Tama.
Kasi after you buy your motorcycle, you can actually have your after sales just in your pocket. So if you have any questions, kung may concern po kayo, if meron kayo nakalimutang bilhin, ganun, may kita nyo kagad. And again, moving forward to Miss Riza. Hi, Miss Riza. Ayan.
Hello po, good
Ayan.
evening
O, sige.
po.
Ano, sinabi ni Miss Riza, paus daw siya. So, yes or no question
Yes
ko
or
na
no lang tayo dito
Yes.
ngayon. Okay.
Gusto niyo po ba
Ano lang?
yung app? Pero for you,
Tungo
Miss
lang.
Riza, gaano ka-importante na nagkaroon po si Yamaha nung My Yamaha Motor Rev PH na app as a rider yourself?
As a rider po, so malaking tulong po ito sa ating mga Yamaha users. Tulad ko po, Yamaha users din po, na kahit nasa probinsya ka po, pwede ka pong mag-connect doon. Kahit tulad ko, nasa Iloilo po ako. So malayo po ako dito sa Maynila. Pero kahit malayo po ako sa Maynila, so pwede po pa rin ako mag-connect dahil meron na tayong app. At ramdam mo pa rin yung parte ka ng pamilya ng Yamaha. So, yun lang po.
Kumbaga na-connect, no? Lumiit yung mundo ng mga Yamaha riders,
Opo.
di ba? Yung,
So,
yung boses mo, naiwan mo rin sa Iloilo, madam.
Yung boses ko po yung lumiit. Pero yung Yamaha po, lalawak pa.
Tama.
Ay,
tama.
grabe
Yes.
naman yun.
Ganda naman. Ganda naman ang sagot na yun, Miss Riza. De, pero yun nga, it's connecting to the riders a little bit more. Kasi after you buy it, syempre, kailangan may relationship pa din yung riders with Yamaha as a brand. Thank you very much, Miss Riza.
Thank you po.
Alright, Motopopsy, Sir Billy, Joe Canales, ano yung message mo sa mga kapwa mo Yamaha motorcycle owners and why they should download ang bagong app natin, ang My Yamaha Motor Rev PH?
Alright, so na-mention na earlier ng mga kasama natin, yung perks, yung benefits, while we are or pag na-download natin yung app. So for me, my message to all the Yamaha owners all throughout the Philippines, let's enjoy this benefit that Yamaha given to us. Yan po.
Yun, enjoy natin. Oo nga, kasi sulitin na natin, di ba? Yamaha owner ka na lang din. Ano ba naman yung i-download mo yung app? Kasi once maaral mo yung app at makita mo yung exclusive perks at benefits na makukuha mo, siguradong mag-enjoy kayo at saka mas lalo kayong mag-look forward dun sa mga transactions na gagawin nyo with Yamaha. Thank you very much to our Moto Vloggers. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating Moto Vloggers. Siguradong magandang experience yung nakuha nila dun sa challenge na yun. Now it's time to understand the mission behind it. Okay, makakasama ko ngayon. I'm always excited to be a part of Yamaha events kasi makakasama ko sila. Palagi na lang. Let's call them on stage, ang mga VIPs natin from Yamaha Philippines. Sales and Marketing Director of Yamaha Motor Philippines. Of course, we have Shinsuke Ida. Ida-san, always great to see you. Ida-san, welcome. And of course, Marketing Brand Execution Manager, Mr. Tony Acuesta. Sir Tony, magandang gabi. Well, una na, congratulations to the both of you. I'm sure a lot of work went behind this app of yours. Initial thoughts lang dun sa pag-launch natin ng app. What are your initial thoughts, Ida-san, with the launch of the app?
No, just, few thoughts. Our team has been working very hard, and our peers from Japan also has been working this project so hard. So I'm very happy today for us to launch this app here in the Philippines.
And talking about the work, so Sir Tony, puyat ka ba dahil dito?
Yes. Well, actually, this is another groundbreaking for us. It's first in the industry to have this kind of an application. And, there's a lot of good perks about this app. But, of course, this is created by a bunch of people behind it. As mentioned by Ida-san, this is a work collaboration with our HQ and YMC. And of course, actually, few people are here right now. We're lucky we have. Let's welcome and say hello to them as well from the YMC Land Mobility Connectivity. They're here, headed by Murita-san. Say hello, hello. So we're working hand in hand with them to make sure that this kind of app, it's more about being Filipino and how we can keep the connection with our customers.
Kaya kita nyo naman kung gaano karami ang nagtrabaho just to give and offer this kind of app para sa ating motorcycle riders dito sa Yamaha. And Sir Tony and of course Ida-san, I just want to ask also, given of course we are in the digital age, ito na yung digital era, and in many industries, big factor na ang digital, ang pagpasok sa internet and of course these apps. Gaano ka-significant para sa Yamaha to maintain relationships with of course buyers and of course loyalists and users?
Well, first thing we consider, as we all know, if any brands can do this kind of app, right? And our wallet is full of hard copy of loyalty programs, right? But here, no need to put it in your wallet. It's on your phone. It's very convenient. It's a way for us to minimize as well having papers. It's all about being digital. And this kind of program, it's something very unique. And we really try to understand what Filipino consumers would really looking forward for an app like this. So this kind of app, we're happy that we try to customize this kind of app. And everything is customizable with regards to this kind of application actually. So it's really important. And my Yamaha is just one of many that Yamaha is really working hard to make it a smooth transition going to the digital world.
So we can obviously expect a lot more in the near future. How about Ida-san, how significant is this for you to be able to connect again with your users to make sure that they feel engaged still after buying their motorcycles?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to use this app to get connected to more Yamaha users here in the Philippines. Because today I see many familiar faces from Y Club, my fellow Y Club members, and actually we have already strong connection with our users. But I believe by using this app, we can scale that connection for those who might not in Yamaha Club members but still loyal to Yamaha. So the function of this app is very important for us to get connected to more users. And one more thing is I know there's a lot of people who are loyal to Yamaha and who is of course buying our motorcycle, coming back to our 3S branches to get maintenance. And I know we really want to recognize those customers coming back to Yamaha or buying Yamaha by using this app. And we want to appreciate that by using this app. So it is all about customer satisfaction. Actually, it's not about competition. It's not about selling our motorcycle. It is all about customer satisfaction. So in that sense, I'm very happy, and I guess I believe this is historic in motorcycle industry, and I'm excited to launch this app.
So you see the efforts of Yamaha. Go ahead, Sir Tony.
Yeah, actually, aside as mentioned by, to give it more specific actually, aside from my Yamaha app, we're confident as well that even customer, if they go for Google, just search for Yamaha near me, they can be able to look for the Google map links.
Yeah.
So sometimes kasi if you search for online and then we go to location, you are on the wrong pin, right?
Hindi ka sure eh.
Yes, but now what Yamaha did is we try to make sure that when customer go to our certain Tria shop, it's the right pin and location as well. And even our Google and our Yamaha Club as well, everything is fully digital. We have our online as well, that all of their efforts are now online. And we're happy how our clubs and Filipino consumer trying to adopt that kind of way as well. So we make it more seamless, easier, and of course, we keep them to the ecosystem of Yamaha as well.
And those are the efforts of Yamaha, of course, to connect with their users or with their riders. Kita nyo naman, kumbaga, it's not just about selling motorcycles. It's making them feel that they're part of the family, they're part of this Yamaha community. And let's talk about the app, okay? Of course, we're very excited to launch itong My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. What exactly is this revolutionary platform? And what does it mean to be an industry pioneer by providing your clients with this one-of-a-kind digital experience?
Yeah, so again, this app is to recognize all the transaction between Yamaha and the users. So now, technology allows us to do so. And by capitalize on that, we want to recognize, we want to appreciate, and we want to reward the transaction in between Yamaha and customers. So that's all about this app. And again, for us, it is not, competition. It is, meaningful to us because we can be able, we are able to get connected to more users online or technologically. So that's a significant to us.
And of course, aside from being engaged and also connected to Yamaha as a community and as a brand, ang pinaka-exciting syempre is yung rewards. Ano ba yan? Pag-usapan naman natin yung Sir Tony, yung rewards.
Yeah, for sure, you, Mike, you will enjoy having this app because you have your Mio Gravis already. So all you have to do is to go back to Tria shop, purchase all of anything you would want to add to your bike. And of course, you will have an access to have a platinum benefits. Like for example, the one that we are wearing right now is a partnership with Alpine Star. And we all know Alpine Star is a global brand as well.
Yeah.
We is one way. So everybody would want to have this jacket. But this one, you cannot purchase this anywhere. It's just exclusive if you be able to reach on a platinum tier level.
Wow, okay. So may exclusivity
Yes.
na...
So it means every tier system, when you go for bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, you have a special gift from Yamaha.
Wow. So merong, if you're competitive in that sense, parang gusto mong mag-level up, di ba?
Exactly. So the more points you earn, the more transaction you do on the Tria shop, that is only for Yamaha, and of course, the more benefit you'll get. So that's what exciting about this kind of app. And another thing about this one actually, even now, if you download the app and then you purchase motorcycle, automatically you have Like if you purchase Mio motorcycle, the Mio Gear, Mio Gravis,
Fazio.
including Mio Fazio, if you purchase this motorcycle, automatically you're gonna have 1,500 points.
1,500 agad.
And will put you on the bronze tier level already.
Agad.
Right? So every displacement you purchase, it has a different pointing system.
So mas mataas yung displacement,
The
higher
higher.
the points. Okay.
Exactly. As
Sinasabi
higher
ko
as 400 displacement you purchase, it gives you automatically 3,000 points on your app.
Sinasabi ko na, nasa ba si CZ? Sabi ko na, ang ganda nung ano dun, yung mataas yung displacement, higher points. Go ahead, Ida-san.
Also, let me add something, Tony was talking about that jacket, exclusive jacket, which, is only available through my Yamaha app. But it's not just about, items, we want to offer riding experience to my Yamaha club, my Yamaha app users. And to do so, I'm just want to challenge, our Y Club members. So give us, ideas so that we can create the benefit, nice touring experience together with you guys, where we can invite my Yamaha app users.
And yan din kagandahan sa Yamaha. They're open for suggestions. Of course, they want to hear what you guys want as riders and as loyalists dito sa Yamaha. And okay, what is special about this rewards program? Ano bang, how does this differentiate or separate Yamaha from the pack?
Yeah, I'll go for, there's many, but I'll go for first one. One, of course, this is an industry-leading point system. As mentioned, if you try to look at reward system from other brands, it's just only 5%.
Okay.
But for Yamaha, for this industry, for motorcycle, it's 10%. It's above with the industry pointing system. And the more you interact, the more you use it, the more it will be customized the app for you. So as mentioned by Ida-san, actually, if you attend Yamaha events, if you attend a program, like even this time,
meron
all of the
points
Yamaha
sana to.
clubs that's here right now,
okay.
they're gonna have a specific points on their system, on their app right now. So it will be seen tomorrow actually. So that's a good thing about this kind of application. So it's not just getting points for one system, but if you purchase, if you transact, if you join Yamaha events and all of the other program, you're gonna have this kind of points that you're gonna have actually.
So it's not all about purchasing items or
Yes.
spending money. It's also about, engaging with yung mga events and whatever Yamaha is cooking up for all of us. And Ida-san, let's talk about how excited is Yamaha to partner with your partner brands, to be able for the riders to also experience the brands that you believe in and that you partnered up with.
Yeah, of course, again, we are, when we are thinking about partners, we really think about, customers. What customers want to have through this app, as a reward. And yeah, one of the, items we chose is Alpine Star, which actually, it came from Tony. Tony really wanted to wear this jacket, so that we choose. Anyway, that's the example. But we are very happy to work with our partners, which also loves riding a motorcycle. So that's who we are. And if our partners resonate with our policy, yeah, we will welcome. So I really want to say thank you to those partners who are here today. But this opportunity is not limited to current partners. Anyone who loves riding a motorcycle can be welcomed.
Tama naman, ikaw pala yung Alpine Stars.
Actually, there's other, even me personally,
Yeah.
because last week we ride from Dagupan to Baguio using the all-new NMAX TechMax. And I was surprised actually because the NMAX TechMax has a Y Connect as well. So automatically, the Y Connect is connected to my Yamaha Rev PH.
Oh, wow.
So the more mileage you ride your bike, you will have
May
another
points din
points as
yun.
well. Exactly.
So just merely using what you bought gives you points.
Exactly. So that's a good thing about Yamaha. It's a very exclusive lifestyle kind of way because what we encourage people is to use motorcycle not just from point A to point B, but what
Yes.
we encourage them is to discover places,
Yes.
to go out, to enjoy riding the bike. And what Ida-san mentioning earlier actually, if you have achieved a certain point, especially platinum, We go as far as trip to Malaysia to watch
Wow.
MotoGP, all of that Yamaha experience. Discount is not really a main thing for this kind of app. We want to uplift Filipino riding community into much more premium lifestyle for us to create more memories together. And that's how we encourage everybody to enjoy riding a Yamaha motorcycle.
That's what I love about what you said, Sir Tony. It's because when you ride a motorcycle, it's really the experience. It's not really getting to the destination. It's the journey. Okay, Ben? It's the journey of riding the
You're right.
motorcycle.
You're
Yan,
really
okay.
a Mia Travis rider.
Tama. All right, Sir Tony Dasan, I just want to ask you also, how does this encourage customers to return and engage with Yamaha after buying their motorcycle?
Well, actually, that's one thing we really consider, no? Because we don't want to create an app just customer to download. Then after that one, they're not gonna use it anymore. That's why working with our headquarters, we try to look at in a way, what are the ways and different kind of ways customer to earn points, not just buying motorcycle. So we thought of a way how we can encourage as well to have a support from our dealership, how we can encourage to even attending events, they can be able to get a certain points as well. Even like for example, our certain shop, we can have an anniversary program. We can customize a points for a customer to go there to avail a point. So it's simply collect and earn points until you be able to reach a certain tier level. Like for example, if you're now into bronze, next year you can be on the silver, level actually. So that kind of level that will help you encourage to go back and of course keep using the app. So that's the main thing we really consider working in this kind of application.
And what can you say, Ida-san, about your efforts as a brand or as a company to make sure that that the riders experience everything that they can, especially when they buy your product?
Yeah, of course, again, our companies believes in the joy of riding a motorcycle. To do so, we are developing our products. But it's not about products, To enjoy riding motorcycle, users needs to go to tourist branches or whatever to get, proper maintenance as well, right? So we have, 650 tourist branches nationwide. And in every store, we are trying to make sure that our users can get high quality, trusted services. So that's, what we are doing. So, and, again, it is all about, enjoying riding motorcycles. But again, to get, going back to this app, you don't need to spend money. You don't need to even spend money on Yamaha. Just come back. Just come to our event, or just enjoy riding motorcycle. Just ride your motorcycle, and you can earn the points. That's of course one of the beauties of this app as well.
I love how mas beneficial siya sa customer rather than to Yamaha.
Exactly. Actually, it's really created for being customer-centered kind of approach. And if you try to go to other countries, actually, this program is totally different. So we really consider the exclusivity they can experience when they have this kind of app, actually. So if you purchase now, it's not just about purchasing, you're right, Mikey. It's about how we can keep all of our customer from the time they purchase up to the after-sales program, actually. Even a development of having a premium service, it's gonna be some of the development we are looking now, so that when they go to shop, since they have the app, they are on a certain tier, they have a certain privilege as well, and of course have an exclusivity having this kind of app as well.
Tama
so
nga
exciting.
kayo. Yamaha, game-changing itong app na to. Really puts it on another level, the whole Yamaha experience. Thank you very much, Ida-san and Sir Tony, for that sneak peek sa ating My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. Palakpakan naman natin si Ida-san and of course Sir Tony. And para sa ating lahat, meron tayong video dito para talagang mas lalo tayong ma-excite sa ating panibagong app, ang My Yamaha Motor Rev PH.
Redefine your Yamaha experience with My Yamaha MotoRev PH. Access rewards, premium perks, special activities in one seamless digital experience by downloading it today. Every move counts because we made sure you have a variety of ways to earn points to unlock more rewards. Whether it's buying a new motorcycle, getting service, or purchasing parts and apparel, you earn points for every transaction, making each moment and every peso you spend with us made even more worth it. It's not just two purchases. Points are also earned by joining activities, referrals, and rating sales services after purchasing a motorcycle. Rewards await at every level. You start at the blue level and go up to bronze, silver, gold, and finally, platinum. The more points you earn, the higher the tier, and better the rewards. Your points unlock special items from Yamaha and vouchers from brand partners. Plus, get access to exclusive Yamaha events, test rides, special experiences, and more. Getting started is easy. Download the app, register, and start unlocking rewards today.
Alright, there you have it. Guys, again, nakita nyo na po, narinig nyo what are the significant features of our My Yamaha MotoRev. And of course, we just wanted to say na hindi lang po siya exclusive for earning points. Hindi lang po siya pang-earn ng points. It's actually, we're talking about exclusive promos, VIP rewards, and access to special events and activities. And ready na po ba kayo na malaman kung paano ba talaga natin magagamit yung My Yamaha MotoRev natin? Ay, parang natutulog na po tayo. Ready na po ba tayo? Yes! Yan talaga ang energy ng ating mga Yamaha riders, of course. And to join us tonight, we have the Marketing Customer Relations Supervisor of Yamaha Motor Philippines. We have Miss Charm Cruz. Hi, Miss Charm!
Hi, Sisi!
Yes, si Miss Charm talaga. Favorite niyo ba si Miss Charm? So, grabe naman. Kaya mo na, Miss Charm. Una na ako.
Sila yung ating mga Y Club members. Hello!
Yes! Ayan. So, Miss Charm, ikaw ang magto-talk through or ikaw yung magpapakita sa amin tonight kung paano ba talaga natin magagamit or paano ba yung mga basics muna ng ating My Yamaha MotoRev.
Yes.
Sisi. So, tanong muna natin ang ating viewers right here. Meron na po ba kayo nung My Yamaha MotoRev PH? Meron na ba? Si Tito Mikey, ang alam ko meron ka na ba? Oh, meron na yan. Siyempre, meron na yan. Okay. So, Miss Charm, ano ba ang first step natin? Yung talagang first ever step natin para magamit yung app?
Yes, ang first ever step natin, actually, Sisi, madaming entry points on how to start your journey with My Yamaha. But the most important thing is to create your YID.
YID, as
yes.
in Y, tas ID.
Yes.
So why is it called YID?
It's your unique login to access all Yamaha digital platforms.
Okay.
Basically, ano lang siya, your email address that you use to register for all Yamaha online platforms. That's the YID.
Yun yung YID natin.
Yes.
So, yung YID natin, makukuha natin siya kapag nag-login tayo.
Yes.
Tama.
Actually, some of our members right now, meron na silang YID because you get to have a YID if you have a Y-Connect application. You could also use that to register for the digital warranty. And also, right now, we have the new Y Club website. You could also use your YID there and many more online platforms in the future.
Alright. So, initially, meron na talaga tayo ni Y-Connect. Tama.
Yes.
So, nauna si Y-Connect.
Yes.
And then now are we switching to My Yamaha MotoRev?
No,
Or
actually,
they go hand in hand talaga?
Yes, actually, ang kagandahan sa app na to, connected siya to all of the Yamaha online platforms. Just use your YID.
Alright. So, let's say I already have my YID. Yung YID ba, last question about the YID. Let's say I am a new customer. So, I get it upon yung pagbili ko nung unit ko, or is it something that anything from Yamaha?
So, for you to register a YID, meron kasi tayong dalawang ways to register. First is, if you purchase a new motorcycle, our sales associate sa 3S Shop will assist you to register the e-warranty or our digital warranty, which will require you to register for a YID. So, all you have to do is just use your email address. That's basically your YID.
Okay.
And then complete the registration for e-warranty. And after, download My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. And then log in using your YID na ginamit nyo in registering using your e-warranty registration.
Alright. So that is for our new customers, Miss Charm.
Yes.
What if naman dun sa ating mga customers before na, just like Mikey, na meron na siyang Mio Gravis, but let's say during the time na nakuha niya yung Mio Gravis niya, hindi pa pala niya nakukuha yung YID niya?
Well, if you have an existing motorcycle, all you have to do is just download My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. If wala pa kayong Y-Connect app, create YID using your email address. And that's basically your registration to the My Yamaha app.
Okay.
Yes.
So, ganun lang siya kadali. Upon purchase po ng mga units natin, any motorcycle that you already got from Yamaha, if you're a new customer, if you're a past customer, as long as nakapag-login na po kayo kung ano yung email na ginamit nyo, yun yung YID nyo.
Yes,
Okay,
that's correct.
so we already got our YIDs na download ko na yung My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. Now, Ms. Charm, talk to us through the basics of the app kapag nandun na tayo mismo sa app.
Yes. So, after you register for an account sa My Yamaha, next step is to add your vehicle. Can we show them, Sisi, here? Yan. Right now, I already have added mine. So, meron na akong motor na nakalagay dito. But, if you have another motorcycle, madami kayong motorcycle, you can always add one. And here's how. Just click the plus button and just enter your VIN number or chassis number. And then, along with your mobile number, click next, and automatically, ma-add na yung motorcycle nyo dito.
Okay, so ayan, makikita nyo po dito sa screen natin dito, if ever meron pang hindi nakakapag-add ng mga motorcycles nyo, nandiyan na po lahat. Actually, yung maganda dito is, when you go through the app, kita nyo po siya dito sa ilalim, sobrang foolproof na niya kasi lahat, kung saan nyo pwedeng makita yung VIN, saan nyo pwedeng makita yung VIN nyo sa motorcycle itself, nandiyan na po siya. And I have a question, Miss Charm. Ilang motorcycle ang pwede kong i-add? Let's say nangongolekta kasi ako ng Yamaha. So ilang Yamaha ang pwede kong i-add sa isang account?
You can add up to 99 motorcycle.
99?
Yes, 99.
99?
Yes, if you're lucky enough, meron kang 99 motorcycle, pwede mong i-add lahat yun dito, add mo sila lahat. You can easily manage your motorcycle. Kailan na ba dito sino na ba yung next PMS? Sino na ba dito yung kailangan ma-change oil? Makikita mo yun dun.
Okay, grabe medyo nagulat ako sa 99. Imagine kung meron ka talagang 19. Sana ginawa nyo na pong 100. Nahiya pa po tayo, Yamaha. Anyway, so again, you have 99. I think this is perfect. Let's say sa family natin, meron tayo, let's say, ako meron akong Casio. Si Mikey merong Gravis. And then meron na naman siyang kinukulit sa akin. So para ako na lang ang magmamanage, pwede lahat ng motor namin nasa isang app na lang.
Yes.
Or nasa isang account.
As long as the motorcycle is named under you.
Under me.
Yeah.
O,
Under you.
change name lahat ng motor mo. Tandaan mo yan. Anyway, so ayan. So when we are in the app right now, ano yung mga features na, like right now meron ka na, Miss Charm, yung NMAX mo.
Yes.
So ano yung mga, yung mga
Makikita mo information about motorcycle. So, once na na-add nyo na yung motor nyo, just click the warranty and coupon tab. Makikita nyo dito yung motorcycle information nyo, yung warranty policy, free service coupon if meron pa kayo, and your own owner manual, digital version.
Okay.
Ako, meron pa akong free service coupon na 2. So, kailangan, malalaman ko here kailan ko siya pwedeng gamitin. So, kung yung motor nyo is meron pang free service coupon, you will know here kasi connected na siya dito.
Alright, so all of the information, yung mga importanteng information po about our units, nandun na siya, warranty, vouchers, coupons, yung coupons ba, Miss Charm, talagang bigla lang siya nag-a-appear or nagkakaroon ka ba ng messages?
Actually, pag bumili ka kasi ng bagong motor, meron talaga siyang kasamang free service coupon. Parang libreng PMS for you to maintain your motorcycle. So, para
Alright.
lang yun sa mga may bagong motor.
Okay, so so sa mga bagong motor, you have your free coupons.
Yes.
And then, naka-note na doon kung hanggang kailan.
Yes.
Let's say, mismo, nakalagay na doon expired, no?
Oo,
Just
katulad
like
na
this
to,
one.
na-expired na kasi hindi ko nagamit.
Tapos kapag nagamit mo, nakalagay
Nakalagay
used. And
yes.
then, pag meron kang bago,
Ito yung next PMS mo, yes.
June 16. So,
Yes.
pwede, okay. So, lahat na po nandyan. And then, now naman, I wanted to ask Miss Charm, let's go, what if meron akong mga store purchases?
Yung next journey natin, CC, would be how to earn points.
Oo, yung points natin.
Well, definitely, you can earn points by number 1, buying your motorcycle. Yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng mataas na points. Number 2 is if you purchase parts, Yamaha Genuine Parts, Apparel, and Accessories. And also, if you do your servicing in our shop. Actually, ipakita natin sa kanila
Okay,
how
sige.
the app works.
Alright.
So, punta lang kayo sa lahat ng shops na meron kami. And then, all you have to do is click the read QR button. And finish the transaction in the 3S shop. Tapos, bibigyan kayo ng aming cashier ng QR code. All you have to do is scan it. So, yeah. And then, take a photo of your receipt. And then after that, that's it. Lalabas na yung points mo the next day.
Ganun lang siya.
Yes.
So, ang gagawin natin, let's say, book ba to? Parang Bible nyo ata to dito.
It's the booklet.
So, itong booklet na to, nandito lahat ng mga pwede nilang possible purchases.
Yes.
Yung mga example, bigyan mo ka example, Miss Charm.
For example, you purchase Yamaha helmet. Yan. And then also, if you do your servicing in the 3S shop, nagpa-service ka, that's another point for you.
Okay, so lahat ng mga purchases ko, scan QR code na lang.
Yes.
With the Yamaha Motor Rev.
Scan QR code para makaipon ka ng points.
Alright. So again, ayan po, kapag meron po kayong gustong bilhin sa Yamaha stores, you need to scan the QR code para po, pagka-scan ng QR code, diretso po tayo diretso mong ma-earn yung points.
Yes.
Alright, perfect. So, now that meron kang points already, ano pa yung mga other benefits na meron tayo?
Actually, other than transactions in our 3S shops, there are other ways to earn points. Kanina nabanggit na ride with your Y-Connect. So, i-connect nyo lang yung Y-Connect nyo na YID to the My Yamaha app. And if you purchase a new motorcycle, you would be able to receive a sales service rating. May points din yan. And also, CC, you could also refer a friend.
Referrals.
Referrals, yes. You could
Yes.
refer up to 5 friends, and each friend you refer, meron kang points.
Paano nangyayari yung referral system? Meron ka bang code na ibibigay sa kanila?
Actually, you can see in the app, yan. Click nyo lang yung referral. Right now, I already used 2. Kulang pa ng 3. So, kuhain nyo na lang yung code ko dyan. Sa lahat na magda-download.
Sino daw pong gusto ng code para po magkaroon po ng points si Miss Charm? Kunin nyo lang po yung code
Kuhain
niya.
nyo yung code ko dyan, tapos ilagay nyo lang sa app nyo as referred person, and each person you could get a point.
Alright.
And other than CC, you could also earn points by being a Y Club member.
Okay. Being a Y Club member, how do you go about that?
Being a Y Club member naman, just join your club activity-initiated events. So, nandito yung mga Y Club natin, alam nila yan. So, pag naggawa ng own activity si Y Club, we will give them points, depende kung ano yung ginawa nilang activity. But that's exclusive for Y Club members only.
Okay. So that one, galing na sa inyo talaga yung mga points.
Yes, that one, we will manually seed the points to our Y Club members. And that's not all, Sisi. Meron pa, if you join Yamaha events and activities, you will be also able to get points. All you have to do is visit any Yamaha activities and look for the My Yamaha Rev PH booth and ask for the event check-in. Makikita natin right now, Sisi. Ito.
So, meron today.
Meron today. Yes.
So, nakapag-scan, meron na po ba dito nakapag-scan ng QR? Ayan, si Madam nakapag... Ito po siya, oh. Scan
Yes.
nyo na po, picturean nyo po, oh. Sayang naman yung points.
Click nyo lang po yung
Diba?
offers under special offers banner. Tapos, click check-in and scan here. And,
this one,
yeah.
ayan.
Automatically, may points na kayo.
Yes, ilang points yun today?
Today is 100 points.
Oh yeah, grabe.
Yes.
Baby, scan mo Kailangan natin ng points. Pambili ng bagong motor. Ayan. So those are the ways na pwede po kayo makapag-earn ng points. Again, sobrang dami niyan. Again, if you go to events, if may purchases po kayo, if you connect it to your Y Club, Y Connect actually, and then referrals of course, and then ito na Miss Charm, ang talagang tanong ng karamihan. Ano bang magagamit namin or ano bang benefits namin kapag nakaipon kami ng points dito sa My Yamaha Motor Rev PH?
Yes, alam ko kanina medyo nabanggit na ni Ida San and Sir Tony yung mga events, but let me show you. Under your membership tab, just click what kind of benefits and it will show you kung ano yung mga benefits na makukuha mo. Pero bago yan, kailangan, you need to reach a certain tier level. When you register, you start with blue, and then you work your way up to bronze, silver, gold, and then finally, platinum. Each level unlocks different benefits. So, for example, you could be invited into Yamaha exclusive events. You could also experience a VIP service treatment, but right now, it's only available with Y-Zone, and we are going to expand soon. So, abangan nyo po yan. And next, nabanggit yung mga brand partners a while ago. We are actually also going to give exclusive items that was made through collaboration with the brands na usually ginagamit ng ating mga riders. Just like this one, Sisi.
Grabe naman yung flex. Di ako na yung wala niyan, Miss Charm. Grabe ka naman. So, pakita naman natin, this one, Miss Charm, is from
This
Alpine
one,
Stars.
yeah, is a collaborative item from
Ayan.
Alpine Stars.
Ayan, sige. Ano ko, Miss Charm?
Yes, and you will get it if you reach Platinum member.
So, pag Platinum member, makakakuha po tayo ng exclusive Alpine Stars jacket in collaboration with Yamaha. So, kailangan talaga, I think, more than anything, ang goal mo dito is, of course, to enjoy your My Yamaha Motor Rev PH app. And of course, your road to platinum. Kaya nga kanina meron din tayo ng race with our motovloggers.
Yes. And
Tama.
also, Sisi, speaking of brand partners, another benefit naman na makukuha ng ating mga customer is a partner voucher, which basically is a discount that you could get directly from our brand partners. So, nakikita nyo nandito silang lahat, si Dry Plus, Imprint Custom, Memory PH, and all of our brand partners here will give you a partner voucher that you could claim directly sa mga shop nila. Paano i-claim, Sisi? Ituro natin sa kanila kung paano i-claim. So all you have to do is go to your membership tab and then click your benefits. And then under benefits, you will see partner vouchers. Just click that. And from there, pili kayo ng isang partner brand you want to claim your vouchers with. And then, next is go to the brand store and just tell them that you will claim your voucher. They will give you a discount.
Okay. Now, mas naiintindihan ko na kung ano yung sinasabi kanina doon sa mga booth ng partner brands natin that they do have exclusive discounts. You can actually purchase items from them using our My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. So, ayan guys, kahit hindi ongoing, kunyari may mga sale, discounts, kahit wala naman talaga sila in store, you can actually get yung mga items na gusto nyo discounted because you have a voucher na exclusive lang dun sa app natin dito kay Yamaha. So,
Yes.
ayan. And Miss Charm, nabanggit nila kasi kanina, actually, narinig ko, that you also offer real-life experiences.
Yes, that's right, Sisi. Actually, this is one we are proud of because this is what sets us apart from other rewards program. Our members will have a chance for an unforgettable experience. Gusto mong malaman kung ano yon?
Gusto ko. Pwede bang ako na lang? Tapos
Siyempre.
account ni Mikey gagamit.
Si Tito Mikey ang tatrabaho para
Oo,
sa'yo.
tama. Siya ang gagawa.
So these are the sample experiences our customers will receive. First is an all-expense paid local touring, organized by Yamaha, of course. And an exciting part is an international country rides in countries like Mongolia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Japan, and probably more. And aside from that, invitation to world-class trips like MotoGP, ARRC, or Japan Mobility Motor Show.
Grabe naman yon. Palakpakan naman po natin si Yamaha, guys. Again, if you just earn points, if mag-collect lang po tayo ng points when we purchase, when we visit, or actually, kahit nagre-ride, di ba? Talaga
Yes.
makakapag-earn ka ng points. And when you get to a certain tier, pwede nyo ma-experience lahat ng to. Imagine, meron kang all-expense paid local touring ride. Pwede rin po kayong lumipad ng ibang bansa, Mongolia, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Japan. And again, meron din po tayong mga world-class trips. I mean, imagine, ino-offer yan while you are just collecting points.
Yes.
Sobrang gandang opportunity niyan. Pero ang question ko, Miss Charm, sino, let's say, yung mga international trips, yung mga world-class trips natin, sino yung mga possibly or mga pwedeng makakuha or makasama?
Okay, so actually, experience starts at silver tier. But you need to work your way up to platinum tier for you to have a chance to join the international trips. So platinum members can experience and enjoy this.
Okay. So, ang real-life experiences natin, probably ang local touring rides natin, will start kapag silver. And then, on your way up to platinum, ayan, little by little, pwede na po kayo makasama doon sa mga international rides. So, ayan, more about our app, actually, Miss Charm, can you talk us through other features na meron po tayo sa app? Kasi for sure, hindi lang, again, yung sinasabi po namin kanina, hindi lang po siya pang collect ng points. Sobrang dami pa pong features ng Yamaha Motor Rev PH natin na pwede nyong magamit.
Yes, actually, if you go here to the lower part of the screen, you will see the message tab. Dito, makikita nyo lahat ng notification ng activity na ginagawa nyo. So, this is personalized for you. Depende kung ano yung activity na ginawa nyo together with my Yamaha app. And then, on the membership page, makikita nyo din dito yung benefits nyo, anong tier level na kayo, ilan pa para maka-reach kayo to another tier. And also, going back to the home screen, sa baba, makikita nyo dito yung link to our brand new Y Club website. So, I'm sure excited ang ating mga Y Club members dyan. And also, the Yamaha website, nandito din po. Moving along sa third tab, dito naman sa dealer tab, makikita nyo lahat ng stores ng Yamaha nationwide.
Okay, so this one, lahat po ng dealership, makikita
Nandito.
natin.
Yes.
Question ko is, available na ba or pwede na bang gamitin ng mga riders natin yung app natin sa lahat ng dealership?
My Yamaha Motor Rev PH app is available to download wherever you are. So, download nyo lang yan. However, right now, we only have 23 participating shops, 1 si Y-Zone, and then the rest of the 22 shops is our dealer. Makikita nyo din po yan sa app. Turo natin sa kanila, CC. Click nyo lang po dito sa dealer tab, yung filter, and then click category, itaggle on nyo lang yung participating shops, and you will see all of the shops na participating for my Yamaha Motor Rev PH. And that's nationwide naman, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Yes. So this one, ito makikita natin kung alin dyan yung mga dealerships na pwede natin gamitin yung mga QR codes. Tama, Miss
Yes.
Charm? Ayan, to earn points. Kasi again, meron tayong booklet dito na kapag meron po kayong bibilhin, isa-scan nyo lang and then you get to earn points. So I guess for now, we have, actually medyo madami na po yung 22 dealerships nationwide na meron na nung My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. And then question, Miss Charm, what if meron pa rin silang mga concerns and siguro by clicking through the app, hindi pa din nasasagot yung mga tanong nila? Ano yung pwede nilang way para makakonect probably sa mga service providers natin or probably help desk ng Yamaha?
Well, actually, you can, if you want to know more about My Yamaha Motor FPH, we have a website. So at the lower part of your application, just click the My Yamaha Motor FPH button. And lalabas dyan yung website ng My Yamaha. And if you want to know more information, just scroll through informations there. Also, you can send us email. Yung email button, just click right beside the read QR and send us all of your concerns. If you have concerns, di kayo makaregister, click nyo lang po yung email us just right beside the read QR button. But if you have an immediate concern na kailangan nyo ng assistance right away, we have our chat support. So all you have to do is click chat with us and our chat bot, which is named Yasha, will assist you. But if you want to speak with a customer service representative, meron din po yan. Just type in the chat that you want to speak to a live agent. And then Yasha, our chatbot, will direct you towards our customer service representative to assist you better.
Alright, so si Yasha natin, Miss Charm, is our chatbot. But my question is, yung ating live chat ba, or let's say yung live agent natin, ano ba siya, like 24/7 or talagang all day, let's say meron silang questions sa gabi. Alam niyo yung mga iniisip. Usually si Mikey yung ganyan, di parang biglang may iniisip na hindi ko malaman kung ano bang gusto niya itanong about yung Mio Gravis niya. But let's say, kunyari yun sa mga gabi, beyond office hours.
Actually,
pwede ba?
Yasha, our chatbot, will be available for you 24/7. So anytime gusto nyo magtanong, kausapin nyo si Yasha, ang aming chatbot. But if you want to talk to a customer service representative, open lang po kami from Mondays through Fridays from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. So make sure yung concern nyo na kailangan sagutin na agad, message us from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Alright, so office hours pa rin po ang ating live agent, guys. But si Yasha, usually, guys, ang mga chatbot natin talagang very informative naman sila. Probably lahat ng probable questions, FAQs nyo masasagot na niya. But there you have it, guys. Everything that you need to make the most out of the Yamaha experience. All in one powerful app. Yamaha motorcycle owners, I really highly recommend you guys download My Yamaha Motor Rev PH today. Again, guys, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan na lagyan ng dash between motor and rev when you search. And this app is really everything that you need to have a very smooth riding ride. And this app really is your edge and your rewards. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much kay Miss Charm. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Charm.
Thank you very much, Miss Charm. Ayun, nalaman na natin anong ins and outs of our My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. Okay ba tayo? Nagets ba natin? Yun lang. Yun, nagets naman natin. Shoutout also, of course, to our viewers na natuto, of course, kay Miss Charm and kay CK sa mga kailangan ninyong malaman with regards to our new app. Alright, ano ba ang sunod natin na gagawin? I believe may mga winners na natin, mga award na natin ang ating moto vloggers.
Alright, so from
QR hunts to closing real bike deals, they earned every point. Okay, talagang pinaghirapan nila. Those who will not be named champion will still receive prizes. You will get a jersey courtesy of our brand partner Imprint Customs and balaklava para sa ating rides, of course, from our partner Dry Plus.
And of course, our champion will receive a Yamaha Alpine Stars jacket, Imprint Customs jersey, and Dry Plus balaklava. Again.
So makukuha nila yung prize, yung suot. Of course, may we call Sir Ida-san and of course Sir Tony back on stage. Yun ang chance nyo mapanalunan. May chance kayo manalo nung jacket, exclusive jacket na suot ng ating VIPs from Yamaha Philippines. Alright. Wow, our first platinum member. Okay. Are we going straight to our first platinum member o consolation pa. First platinum na? Okay. Malalaman na natin ang first ever platinum member ng My Yamaha Motor Rev PH who will win exclusive prizes from Yamaha Philippines. At itong jacket na to guys, ready na? And of course, meron din tayong framed photo ninyo para pwede nyo ipaskill sa front door ninyo. Alright, sino ba nanalo, Sir Tony? Pasilip nga niyan? Tama ba yan? Okay.
Hindi ka magkakamali dyan. Sobrang laki.
Ang laki ng
Sobrang
picture
laki
eh.
talaga.
Oo nga eh. From Inside Moto, congratulations! Palakpakan po natin. Sir, ikaw ang first ever platinum member. Congratulations!
Sir Adrian Gogna of Inside the Moto.
Ayun oh! Exclusive jacket yan. Of course, Sir Ida-san and Sir Tony lang ang naisot niyan ngayon. Let's take a photo up ng ating first ever platinum member ng My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. Thank you very much. Again, congratulations, sir. And thank you also again to Ida-san and Sir Tony. Meron pa. Okay, meron pa. Alright. And there you have it. The future of Yamaha is here and it fits right in your pocket.
Alright, to everyone who joined us online, thank you so much again sa inyong lahat po na nandito din. Of course, face-to-face kasama namin tonight. Thank you so much again. My name is Sizzy C.K. De Leon.
And of course, this is Tito Mikey. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love. And everyone here at the Y-Zone, huwag kayong alis dahil meron pa tayong mga photo op mamaya. Pero sa lahat ng Yamaha motorcycle owners right now watching sa ating live stream, make sure you download My Yamaha Motor Rev PH today. Don't forget the dash in between motor and rev. Your edge, your rewards. Always remember, only Yamaha revs your heart. Thank you very much. Good night, everybody. And now, let's have our grand photo up.
Of course, our Yamaha executives, My Yamaha Motor Rev PH brand partners, and of course, yung mga motovloggers po natin again.
And nandito, makakasama natin sa ating photo, ang ating VIPs from Yamaha. Of course, Ida-san and Sir Tony Aquesta, and also Miss Charm. If you can join us also, Miss Charm, please, for this special photo op. Congratulations to Yamaha Philippines for this groundbreaking app, ang ating My Yamaha Motor Rev PH.
Yes, and we would like to call on the representatives from our brand partners po, Imprint Customs, Drive Plus, Alpine Stars, Racing Boy, Memory.ph, Freedcon, DZ Monorack, Motoworld, and Sec Moto Supply.
And our moto vloggers from Motour Pilipinas, Philip Elliott from Inside Moto. Congratulations again, our first platinum member, Adrian Gongona. From Ubec Rida, we have Cliff Anthony Abeliana. From Moto Cha, we have Maria Riza Estalio. And from Moto Pop C, we have Billy Joe Canales. Again, thank you very much sa inyong lahat for joining us in this momentous occasion. Hopefully, everybody will always ride safe, ha? Thank you very much. The name is Tito Mikey.
And it's your Sizzy.
Again, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love. Our brand partners as well, thank you very much. May you please join us all. Para mayroon tayong grand photo op with everybody who made this possible. Of course, shout out din sa lahat behind the camera who worked very, very hard to give us or offer this exclusive app for all Yamaha riders. Thank you very much. You have made the Yamaha experience all the more memorable and exciting. Thank you very much to our moto vloggers, our VIPs, and our brand partners. Again, thank you to Yamaha Philippines. Palakpakan naman natin ang Yamaha. Everybody, again, the name is Tito Mikey.
And it's your sissy, CK De Leon.
Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love. Yamaha Philippines, thank you very much. Always remember, only Yamaha revs your heart.
Redefine your Yamaha experience with My Yamaha MotoRev PH. Access rewards, premium perks, special activities in one seamless digital experience by downloading it today. Every move counts because we made sure you have a variety of ways to earn points to unlock more rewards. Whether it's buying a new motorcycle, getting service, or purchasing parts and apparel, you earn points for every transaction, making each moment and every peso you spend with us made even more worth it. It's not just two purchases. Points are also earned by joining activities, referrals, and rating sales services after purchasing a motorcycle. Rewards await at every level. You start at the blue level and go up to bronze, silver, gold, and finally, platinum. The more points you earn, the higher the tier, and better the rewards. Your points unlock special items from Yamaha and vouchers from brand partners. Plus, get access to exclusive Yamaha events, test rides, special experiences, and more. Getting started is easy. Download the app, register, and start unlocking rewards today. Redefine your Yamaha experience with My Yamaha MotoRev PH. Access rewards, premium perks, special activities in one seamless digital experience by downloading it today. Every move counts because we made sure you have a variety of ways to earn points to unlock more rewards. Whether it's buying a new motorcycle, getting service, or purchasing parts and apparel, you earn points for every transaction, making each moment and every peso you spend with us made even more worth it. It's not just two purchases. Points are also earned by joining activities, referrals, and rating sales services after purchasing a motorcycle. Rewards await at every level. You start at the blue level and go up to bronze, silver, gold, and finally, platinum. The more points you earn, the higher the tier, and better the rewards. Your points unlock special items from Yamaha and vouchers from brand partners. Plus, get access to exclusive Yamaha events, test rides, special experiences, and more. Getting started is easy. Download the app, register, and start unlocking rewards today. redefine your Yamaha experience with My Yamaha MotoRev PH. Access rewards, premium perks, special activities in one seamless digital experience by downloading it today. Every move counts because we made sure you have a variety of ways to earn points to unlock more rewards. Whether it's buying a new motorcycle, getting service, or purchasing parts and apparel, you earn points for every transaction, making each moment and every peso you spend with us made even more worth it. It's not just two purchases. Points are also earned by joining activities, referrals, and rating sales services after purchasing a motorcycle. Rewards await at every level. You start at the blue level and go up to bronze, silver, gold, and finally, platinum. The more points you earn, the higher the tier, and better the rewards. Your points unlock special items from Yamaha and vouchers from brand partners. Plus, get access to exclusive Yamaha events, test rides, special experiences, and more. Getting started is easy. Download the app, register, and start unlocking rewards today.